Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. So for today I thought it would be fun if I take you along with me to the mall because Santa is arriving today at the mall, and they're gonna have special characters like the Grinch and Daisy Duck and Donald Duck and some other ones that I can't remember, and I thought it'd be fun. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. Alright, I arrived at my local mall here and I went into the third entrance, I think. This is the third one. And the first characters that I spotted are Daisy Duck and Donald Duck, looking all cute, taking pictures with everyone, with all the kids. So over here at entrance number 1, we have, actually no, this is entrance number 2. We have Mickey and Minnie looking so cute. Look at her, so cute with her festive dress. Isn't she pretty? So it's completely free to take pictures with the characters, but the lines are super mega long. I actually moved to this spot, which is way better, and you can see it from the front. There she is waving to all the kids. So I wanted to show you how long these lines are to get pictures. The only one that is charging for pictures, professional pictures, is Santa Claus if you want to take a picture with him, but with the rest of the characters, since it's free, it's really long, the lines. I could have taken a picture with at least one of them or something, but I was not going to make that long line. I don't think so. So this aisle over here, which is the first entrance of the mall, you have the Grinch. Let me show you. Let me see if I can get closer so you can really see him up close. He's over there with his Christmas outfit and all the lights, taking pictures with that kid. He's so funny and cute. And you know what, since I'm right next to Burlington, I think I'm gonna go in and see what they have. Check out this cute top that I found here. It's all black with silver studs all around it, especially on the sleeves, on the sides. I love this one so much. It's long sleeve. It has a little bit of a turtleneck, but not that much. I like this one a lot. This one's pretty nice too. It's like a gray and black and white. And then this one's more festive, I guess, because it's like plaid and red and black. Love that one. Absolutely love this one. This one's stunning, gorgeous top with the lace. Super gorgeous. Let me show you the price. They have it for $14.99. Ooh, check this one out. I love this one too. It's kind of see-through, but it covers the important parts. Super awesome, this one. They have it for 10 bucks. Here's another top. It's black, and if you know me, you know that I love black clothes. Okay, let's quickly check the bag section and see if I spot anything new. I don't think I've seen that one before by Juicy Couture. Let's see what else. They have the red ones here. Let me see if they brought new red bags and see. I think this one I haven't seen with that texture. I haven't seen that one. Let's see what else. Okay, some of them are very familiar because I've seen them before. This one I think it's new. And let's see over here. This one by Steve Madden I've seen before. Maybe this one. I think this one. Or the one behind it. Let me show you. This one by Steve Madden, I think it's new. They have those bags up there by Juicy Couture. And then check this one out. I know I've never seen this one before. It's very, very, very small. Like a small wallet can fit in there. Maybe a small phone. But super cute. Let me show you some gift sets over here. They have like this wallet. Brings I think 2 wallets or something like that. Then they have this one by Steve Madden. Super cute. It's like a wallet. I'm trying to see the price, but I couldn't see the price anywhere. And they have this one up here with the beanie and the wallet. They have this one for 40 bucks. That one's nice. Let's see what else. They have this one by Juicy Couture, the little purse, the little bag, and the wallet. That one's nice. Let me show you a little bit of the jewelry that I see here on this table. They have this one, it's gold. A lot of them are gold. This is by Thalia. I can't see the price. The price is over here. They have it for 8 bucks. What else? Let me show you some of these bracelets. I love the color to this one. That gradient, and it's like dark. I love that. This one by Juicy Couture has like a little heart charm. This other bracelet's very sparkly. They have more sets over here as well. Lots to choose from. They also have these over here. It brings the bag and the wallet. They have this one, it's more like a blue color by Juicy Couture. They're very cute. Ooh, some Halloween decor. Let's check out the price to this. Hopefully they have it discounted since Halloween already passed. And they do. They lowered it to like $3 and some change. That's great. It used to be more expensive than that. They have more over here. Let's check out the price to this one. They're very tall. So it used to be 20 bucks and now they have it for $5. Not bad. I went to another store here inside the mall and I wanted to show you more of their Christmas decor. They have very pretty things. Let me show you. A lot of Santa stuff and gingerbread houses. They have these up here. They have the little bear as well. Look how cute this tree, and it lights up completely. I love this one. It's like a medium size, I guess. Here's the price. I found it. So it's the infinity tree light with LED, and they have it for $50. Okay, I left that store. Actually, we're all hungry, so we're gonna go eat something. But first, let me show you this gorgeous tree. Look how pretty. Love it. All the details and the lights. Okay, it's time to eat. I ordered myself a chicken gyro, and my mom ordered the baked potato with chicken and cheese. So it's yummy. Okay, so I made my way outside because Santa's coming on a helicopter and he's gonna land over here somewhere in this area. And I wanted to capture that footage of the helicopter. I see the helicopter. I don't know if you'd be able to see it, but I see it. Let me see if I could just zoom it in.